Solana's top NFT tasks DeGods and Y00ts to relocate chains. DeGods will connect over to Ethereum while its sister project Y00ts will move to Polygon with an award from the Layer 2's organization reserve. Following quite a while of hypothesis that DeGods and Y00ts, two of the top Solana non-fungible token (NFT) projects, would leave the SOL biological system, the group behind the ventures affirmed the relocation on Twitter on Sunday. DeGods will be moving to Ethereum and Y00ts will be moving to Polygon in early Q1, the group said. There's a contention to be made that DeGods has covered out on Solana, the undertaking's chief Rohan Vora, known as Forthright, said in a Monday Twitter Spaces. It's difficult to acknowledge, yet it's been hard to develop at the rate we need to develop. Assuming Ethereum is where we need to go to continue to develop, it's what we need to do. The assortments are two of the buzziest in the Solana NFT market, with DeGods telling of 515 SOL, around $5,750, floor cost at the hour of composing, the biggest in the environment. Y00ts, DeGod's sister PFP assortment that was delivered this fall, has a 148 SOL, around $1,660, floor. Deals of DeGods rose following the news, with the assortment's floor cost expanding 12% as of Monday. Deals for Y00ts have remained somewhat quiet, with the floor expanding only 5 SOL, around $55. In the week paving the way to the declaration, deals of DeGods and Y00ts represented almost 70% of all Solana NFT deal volume, as per information from Wizardry Eden. The move was gone before by long stretches of strain on NFT Twitter, for certain developers in the Solana NFT space censuring the exit while the assortment's holders to a great extent supported the move. Toward the beginning of December at the Craftsmanship Basel celebration in Miami, reports coursed in Twitter that the DeGods group asked the Solana starting point for $5 million to remain on SOL. A delegate from the Solana establishment affirmed the figure to CoinDesk, however the DeGods group declined to remark on the solicitation's legitimacy. One more win for Polygon. Y00ts transition to Polygon included some significant downfalls. A DeGods delegate told CoinDesk that Polygon paid for the move with an award from its organization reserve, and the subtleties of the arrangement will be made public in the long run. Vora said the award will most recent 1 year, perhaps 2, and was not settled front and center. It hazy will happen once the award runs out. There are a great deal of achievements we need to hit, Vora said. Also, the award isn't however much individuals think. The movement is the most recent in Polygon's organization's series of wins. The Layer 2 blockchain has drawn in accomplices as extensive as Starbucks, Nike, Reddit, Instagram, and DraftKings in the previous year. On the back end, DeGod's transition to Ethereum and Polygon could get muddled. It's uncommon to see high-profile NFT spans at this scale when ventures go multi-chain. It's regularly rather in the style of Doodles, who are thinking about sending off Doodles 2 on a Layer 2 blockchain while keeping its unique assortment on Ethereum. The subtleties of the relocation's specialized components have not yet been declared, however the group has said that Y00 points, a symbolic given to Y00ts holders who stake their NFTs, will move chains too. What is the most dire outcome imaginable here? An endeavor on the scaffold contract, Vora said of the move's specialized difficulties. We believe that should do the migration quickly, going for Q1, however we need to ensure it's hermetically sealed. Spans are famous for issues around stuff like this.